Kia ora e hoa, I'm Dr. Tasmin and Barney from the Medical Research Institute of New Zealand.
Hey, I'm Barney.
In this video, Barney and I are going to show you how to correctly use your Turbuhaler. Hold the inhaler upright and remove the cover. Check the dose counter just below the mouthpiece. Remember, if the window is filled with red, use a different inhaler. Twist the mechanism as far as it will go in one direction and then as far as it will go back again in the other direction, until you hear a click. Place the mouthpiece between your lips. Suck in deeply and forcefully through the inhaler and hold your breath for as long as it is comfortable to do so. Make sure not to breathe back into the inhaler. You don't want the mouthpiece becoming damp or wet. If you need another dose, activate the inhaler again by twisting the grip mechanism and repeating the above steps. When finished, ensure you place the cover back on the inhaler and twist it shut. Two important tips. Firstly, it is important to keep the Turbuhaler dry, so don't wash the inhaler or get it wet. Secondly, make sure to wipe the mouthpiece with a dry tissue or cloth before and after use. The trickiest part to get used to is twisting the grip mechanism, but once you've done it a few times, you'll be a pro just like Barney here. Rewatch this video to familiarise yourself with the process and visit mrinz.ac.nz for more information. Ka kite anō.